After you power on the drone, and you can switch the SC. SC is for pump, for the pump, and you can adjust the speed of the pump. And then you can up and down the camera. For this one, for the LD, left drill. And for the camera have the LED light. S5 is for LED light. Okay? 可以看到吗？可以看到。So we are going to show you how to link the spreader. First, remove the spreader connector protector. This one, no use. And you can see I have the red spot here, and also you can see the connector have the red spot. Okay. And fix it. And then for S6 is for the wheel, for this one. Okay? Only start or stop. And the RD, you can control the wheel RD to control the door open and close. It's clear? Okay. Okay, that's all.